average of 10 to 15% of butterfly eggs reach adulthood or the butterfly stage, because along the way they get eaten. They will get devoured by predators. So the only way butterflies can survive is strength in numbers. They have to lay a lot of eggs. Egg incubation takes only about a week. The caterpillar will hatch the size of the egg, and I would say in about a month it's already about this big. It kind of looks like a slug, but it is a caterpillar. Caterpillars are like babies. They just eat, poop, and grow. That's what they do best. The only difference is that there's no crying. That's the only difference. This caterpillar will turn into those two butterflies. They're called owl butterflies. The brown ones with the yellow eyes. Of course, the owl butterflies will only lay eggs on banana trees, because each butterfly species will only use specific type of host plants. Yes. If I take this caterpillar, move it to let's say the milkweed, it will not survive, because the caterpillar cannot digest. Let's say they can only digest specific type of plants. That's why the female butterfly instinctively knows where to lay the eggs. Through genetic encoding, they can figure it out, but physically they find it by using their sensories. Butterflies smell with the antennae, and they can taste with the bottom of their feet, and that's how they can confirm the right plant. But the larger the caterpillar, the longer they stay as a caterpillar. It can take 2 weeks to 2 months. After this stage, you have what's called the pupal stage, or the chrysalis or cocoon stage, which we have in those cabinets. Once a week, we kind of go on a little scavenger hunt. We have to find them, and then we pin them in these cabinets to protect them against ants, lizards, sometimes small children, but also give them extra moisture. That stage takes average about a month, so they go to gestation for about a month or so. I do compare that stage to adolescence or puberty. It's just complicated. And butterflies do tend to hatch at dawn. Butterflies hatch early in the morning. The sunlight triggers the hatching. A butterfly takes about 3 minutes to emerge, but it will take the butterfly a full hour before it takes its first flight. Butterflies hatch with the wings wet and folded. The first hour, they hang upside down or vertically to allow the wings to dry and spread out. And the butterfly has to pump a very special fluid from its abdomen into the veins of its wings, which will stiffen its wings. That fluid doesn't get pumped back into the abdomen. It congeals within the veins, and the veins will harden like cartilage, so it becomes the structure of the wings. So the first hour is very crucial because it will determine the rest of the butterfly's life. And they're very light, so a butterfly does not need to learn how to fly. Once they're ready, they just take off. They do live an extremely short life. Like 70% of all butterfly species will only live average life of about a month.